4 passive revenue streams you can use to create passive income online. It seems like we have a new talk about building passive revenue streams. There are much talk and confusion about the topic. Some people think they are a bunch of special girlfriends. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 4 passive revenue streams you can use to create passive income online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. That can help you achieve your goals, but the truth is, there is really no magic bullet in building a residual income or generating a real stream of income. I will explain what passive revenue streams is, how they work, and what you need to do to implement them in your business. In this article, I'll take a closer look at passive revenue streams. For many people who are looking for a way to supplement their incomes, passive streams of income can provide a welcome extra income stream. These streams occur with no ongoing effort on the part of the person creating the income. Instead, the income continues to flow into the person's account, month after month, year after year. You create these streams of residual income with very little effort. The biggest key to building any of these streams of income is to get started and build the right kind of relationship with your subscribers. Passive income comes from a variety of different sources, such as AdSense advertising, affiliate programs, driving traffic to websites, and getting traffic to your own websites. Any type of traffic you can drive to your sites will create an income. However, you must learn to be patient and consistent. I am not saying that it is impossible to make a lot of money with one source, but it is much more difficult to maintain a steady stream of income. Let me give you an example. Let's say you decide to create a blog and sell information about the various facets of your hobby and practice. You could easily drive traffic to your site by writing articles and posting them on free classified ad websites. However, in order to create an ongoing income, you will have to drive visitors to your website on a regular basis, such as once a week or once a month. This takes skill and a great deal of creativity on your part. If you are selling information about your hobby, you may find that it is best to write about this topic and include testimonials from other people who have also shared the same interests as you. This will draw in readers who are interested in what you are sharing with them. Affiliate programs allow you to create ads that will run in conjunction with your blogs or websites. When people click on your ads, you will make a percentage of the sale. This works similar to when you are driving traffic to a website. You do not just push the ad button once. You keep on clicking the ads until someone buys the product. This will require a little more work on your part but can net you a nice passive income stream. As you are driving visitors to your site, you will want to place your ads in different locations. For example, ads can be placed on Craigslist, Backpage, Oodle, and eBay. You can even post an advertisement on your own website. The key to success with this method is being creative. If you can create ads that are interesting or visually appealing, chances are someone will click on them and will be subjected to your product. The most successful affiliate programs are those which focus on specific niches. It is best to choose products that are in high demand. Examples of these niches are weight loss, makeup, beauty products, and children's toys. You should look for products that you can promote easily, as this will increase your chances of making sales. There are many different ways to generate income online. While some of these methods may seem a bit far-fetched, others have been successful for years. With the economy today, you are not likely to make many sales if you have not looked into these 4 passive revenue streams. If you want to sell products on commission, you should look into these 4 passive revenue streams. Thanks for watching my video about 4 passive revenue streams you can use to create passive income online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.